Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to give you a fun way you can play to develop some serious core strength and to just tie in some nooks and crannies of your movement ability. And what we're going to do is, well, we're going to play with slow motion, but I'm going to actually show you the movement at real speed or regular speed, and then we'll slow it down. So we're going to lie on the floor like a star, and you're going to bend one leg. We'll bend this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll up to my elbow. Hey, how you doing? Like we're hanging out at the beach. Come up to my hand. Then I'm going to pick myself up and get on all fours. And then I'm going to undo it, come back to my butt, come down to my elbow, and back down. So I'll do it at speed again. So without talking, this is all I'm doing. But now the goal is we want to do this in super slow motion. And so as slow as you can, and I'm not going to do it as slow as I can because we would be here all day and that's so boring to watch, but it's not boring to do. But as slow as you can, you're going to try to come up to your elbow, and you'll love that right off the get-go. And then as slow as you can, you go to your hand. And then as slow as you can, you pick yourself up and you try to control every facet, every millimeter of movement to where you get to all fours. And then once you get here, as slow as you can, you undo it and you try to control again every single thing about the motion. And again, your job is to make sloths jealous. Literally make them green with envy. Not just green with moss because they're so slow, but green with envy. And ideally, you work yourself down as slow as you can again. And then from here, as ridiculously slow as you can, you lay back down to your back. And you're just going to feel everything from your armpit to your pelvis. And I'm going to go ahead and do this at speed. And then you would switch sides and you would work the other side. And again, I'm not doing this in slow motion at the moment, but if you do this in slow motion and you spend time playing with this, you are going to develop some ridiculous strength and control. And you're going to feel strength actually happening through your body. But that's it. That's our tip today. We're using the sit up to hanging out at the beach, to get into all fours, to undoing it. Now, just doing that alone it's actually a great movement. But when you add the super slow, make sloths jealous quality to it, you can develop some really good control and strength. And it unlocks your ability. So that's our tip this week. Give that a shot. It's a lot more fun to do than it is to watch. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.